Are you ready to get the capital that you need to grow your business? My name is Terry Brown, and I'm an independent capital referral agent with an emerging leader in the small business funding space. Our company represents only the most reputable capital providers, and we can get you a decision within one business day. Contact us today to get started. You bring the passion and the love that you have for your business, and we'll bring the capital. Let us help you grow your business. Get the business capital that you need today. We have online immediate approval. There are no hard credit inquiries, all soft pulls. Receive your funds the same day or the next and get up to $25,000 today. We offer transparent terms, industry leading early pay discounts, and you must be an LLC or an equivalent business. Okay, very simple requirements: $5,000 plus monthly bank revenue, business checking account, and that's in your business name. And again, you must be either an LLC or an equivalent type of business. 6 months in business, only 450 plus credit score, and all industries are included. So go ahead and grab the link to my information page, and from there you'll be able to access the link where you can get your loan today. Okay? So there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Remember, you bring the passion and the love that you have for your business, and we'll bring the capital. Bye-bye now.